Skin whitening best home remedies. Many people desire for fair and flawless skin. The market is flooded with skin lightening creams and lotions. But such products have harmful chemicals that can ultimately damage your skin. But you can save yourself by using natural remedies that will effectively brighten and lighten your skin complexion. 1. Tomato, yogurt and oatmeal. This remedy suits for all skin types. All you have to do is to mix a tablespoon of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of tomato juice and yogurt each. Mix well until you get a thick paste. Apply this on your face just like you would with your regular face mask and leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. 2. Milk, honey and lemon juice. These ingredients make a magic that lightens your skin better than most expensive cosmetic products. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk and lemon juice each in a bowl. Then add in a teaspoon of honey. Honey acts as moisturizing agent that balances out the drying property of lemon. Mix these ingredients well and apply over cleansed face. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off. 3. Gram flour. This remedy not only lightens your complexion but also will keep blackheads at bay. It removes excess oils smartly and leaves behind just enough oil to keep the skin moist. Make a fine paste out of 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour and rose water. Later, rub this mixture all over your face and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off. 4. Turmeric and sandalwood with milk. This is another trusted and proven way to whiten your skin naturally. All you need is 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some milk. Add in the milk little by little to the dry ingredients until a thick paste is formed. Later, apply this on your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing off. These ingredients are some well-known natural whitening agents and they remove impurities from skin effectively. 5. Aloe vera. The gel of an aloe vera leaf reduces hyperpigmentation naturally and reveals bright and smooth complexion. It helps in repairing skin cells and tissues and promotes the growth of new, fairer, beautiful-looking skin. Extract the aloe vera gel and apply on your skin. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash off. Do this twice for at least 2 weeks for noticeable results. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.